want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the Tresemme Protecting Heat Protectant and the BioSilk Silk Therapy, and I just put that on my hair, but I did mess up and put too much BioSilk, so yeah, it made my hair kind of oily, but nevertheless, I started off by parting my hair in the back, and I already had a clip-in piece. It does three. I think it has 3 clips on it, so I just put the 3 clips at the back. I'm not playing by the rules. Then you can't take me for no fool. Are you gonna ride with me? Hold me down, will you listen, never lie to me? This is all the sign. So yeah, I just put 3 clips at the back, and then I just keep parting my hair until I get to my desired look. I did have to wash these because they were, you know, kind of oily, but like I said before, I kind of messed up because I had too much BioSilk on my hair, because when I was flat ironing the hair that was in my head, it made the extensions like too oily. So yeah, I'll probably try this style again in the future. That way I know not to put too much BioSilk, but I'm just showing you guys how I'm placing the clip ends in my hair. And as y'all see, I was going for a side part, and I was going for the front piece to have a little, you know, highlight action in the front. So yeah, I'm just placing the clip ends in my head, and then I didn't really style it too much. All I did was straighten it. So yeah, and I forgot to do my intro. And if you are new here, my name is Sugar. Welcome to my channel. I do create lifestyle, beauty, makeup, and whatever beauty related content. So yeah, and if you're returning, hey Sugar babies, and I want to say thank y'all for $3.99. We are at 400. I'm just gonna say 400 because we're at $3.99 subbies, Sugar babies. So yeah, y'all, we are on the road to 1K. We are almost there. I'm so happy for y'all supporting me. I really appreciate it. You know, most people, they make it about just the followers, but y'all are really my people. Y'all are helping me get to where I want to be, and y'all actually support me. So I really thank y'all. I love y'all so much. So yeah, but yeah, if y'all really like this style, let me know. I really didn't like it just because it got oily. So yeah, but I placed the clip ends how I wanted them, so I'm just combing it out, and then I also just flat iron it a little bit more just to, you know, give it some type of uniform. And I do go into just flat iron pieces that look kind of poofy, because I am due for another relaxer. I think I have like another week or 2 before I have to you know, do my new growth, because it has grown a lot. I had experienced some breakage, but we're gonna talk about that in another video. But yeah, y'all, I didn't really do too much with this style. I just kept it real simple. I just need something quick, and I take this edge control and just do a little something with my edges, and then I pretty much ended the style off simple. So yeah, y'all, if y'all like this look, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, Sugar babies.
I don't wanna give no ultimatum. If you wanna come lay up, if you wanna come stay up, if you wanna come pay up. But you know you got work in the morning, finna wake up yawning, tryna keep up with a real one, don't got no obligations. At least for today, at least you can stay for as long as you get, babe. As long as you wanna, everything's in the air.